A street is a public thoroughfare in a built environment. It is a public parcel of land adjoining buildings in an urban context on which people may freely assemble, interact, and move about. A street can be as simple as a level patch of dirt, but is more often paved with a hard, durable surface such as tarmac, concrete, cobblestone, or brick. Portions may also be smoothed with asphalt, embedded with rails, or otherwise prepared to accommodate non-pedestrian traffic. Originally, the word street simply meant a paved road. The word street is still sometimes used informally as a synonym for road, for example in connection with the ancient Wadeling Street, but city residents and urban planners draw a crucial modern distinction. A road's main function is transportation, while streets facilitate public interaction. Examples of streets include pedestrian streets, alleys, and city center streets too crowded for road vehicles to pass. Conversely, highways and motorways are types of roads, but few would refer to them as streets. The word street has its origins in the Latin strata. It is thus related to stratum and stratification. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.